I'm doing a series where every single day I make a game, but every single time I make a game, I have 1 more minute to do so. For this game, since it's only day 1, I only have a minute to make it. And, with that in mind, I decided to go for a simple clicker game. Let's begin. And that's time. In the end, I created a simple clicker game where, when you click the button, the score increases by 1. Tomorrow, I will try and post day 2 of this challenge, and where I will have 2 minutes to create a game.